So I've recently started another 30 days challenge. I'm running 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers every single day for 30 days. So I'm going to show you guys the results and talk about my experience. It's the weekend again, just taking the kids out, seeing koalas and wallabies. Wallabies are different to kangaroos. First week my knees kind of hurt a little bit, took a while for me to get used to. And every single day after the run I was pretty much puffed out of breath. But eventually I got used to it. And I can't say I lost a lot of weight over this challenge, but I feel like I got fit. Yes, I definitely think I can run longer now, every single day after this challenge. Maybe 3 miles or 5 miles. And always remember to warm up before you go for a run. This is really important.